Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful lineup of prefab homes with a bit of a twist. The off-site construction industry has been an absolute treat to follow lately as companies navigate a wild housing market and provide new options in both process and design. It doesn't matter if you're a serious buyer or someone who just likes to see all the options available and dream about what you would put where. It's a great time to be alive for everyone interested in this industry. A new to me option caught my eye this week when I saw an article titled, "These former New Yorkers ordered their California ranch house online." It was impossible for me not to click. When I see anything about houses being ordered online, I must know more, and what I found in the article was very impressive. The company I'm talking about is called Hygge Supply, and not only do they have some unbelievable designs, they also have a very interesting story. What I'm going to do is tell you who they are, show you a few of my favorite models, and finally look at their pricing, so let's do it. Hygge Supply was founded in 2016 when Kelly Karcher set out to create a simple and intentional way to build a home using environmentally conscious materials and employing sustainable practices. However, we need to back it up further than that to see where he got the idea. Karcher renovated a home he owned that was a kid home not once but twice, and ended up being fascinated with that style of build and set out to create something from scratch that was completely his own vision. His vision was a home that incorporated Scandinavian design that was built sustainably and could be constructed in a relatively short timeline. His vision came to life in the form of clean lines, floor-to-ceiling windows, and seamless indoor-outdoor living, also known as the original Hygge Supply home and the blueprint for the current lineup of Hygge Supply homes that are available today. What I really like about this company is the variety of layouts they've made available. They have 16 home layouts from studios up to 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom homes, but each home can be modified with one of the pods, connectors, or porches available. For example, you could purchase a studio, then add one of the 350 square foot accessory pods that come in a variety of layouts like a den with office pod. You have the ability to mix and match homes and pods to create the perfect space for whatever your property and lifestyle requires. It's a very cool concept that gives buyers more flexibility to customize their perfect home. How they're able to offer so many variations and a choose your own adventure style for layouts is by using structural insulated panels, steel framing, and steel beams for the building structure. Some of the benefits of a steel frame house are they're resistant to fire, water, and insect damage, and it holds its shape, eliminating any bowing, warping, or twisting. Both the steel framing and the SIPs are pre-assembled and pre-cut to length at the factory, which increases the speed of assembly and decreases the waste on site. The biggest difference between these homes and a lot of the others on my channel is these are shipped as a kit and have to be assembled on site. Let's check out what I think are a few of their coolest homes. The first home of the day is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom that's just over 1,000 square feet. The very first thing that jumps out at me about this home is the blue cabinets. Not something you see every day, but definitely works well with the black countertops and accents in the home. I think they look amazing. It's an open layout with the living room, kitchen, and dining room taking up about 2/3 of the home on the front section, and the other 1/3 is split between the bedroom, bathroom, and utility room. There's a lot to like about this home, so let's break it down into sections. First of all, the kitchen. I'm a big fan of this kitchen. It doesn't take up a lot of space in the home, but it is very well thought out. I like the size of the island to handle any prep, which in my house usually involves unboxing a frozen pizza, so more than enough room for that. Then there's the wall of upper and lower cabinets behind. The Hygge Supply custom cabinets are included as a standard package in all of their homes. They come in one color per home, are specifically designed to accommodate the dimensions of the home, and are floor to ceiling. If you're looking at this kitchen wondering why there isn't a fridge, which is exactly what I did, you aren't going to find one because all of their homes have column refrigerators and freezers that are encased in Hygge Supply custom cabinetry. That's pretty uptown. The living room and dining room are pretty self-explanatory, but do have the clean lines that are seen throughout the entire Hygge Supply lineup, and this place absolutely reeks of style and an eye for design that you just don't see in many other homes. Cool factor, a million. The black fireplace is a nice statement piece as well. The bedroom has another wall of floor-to-ceiling custom cabinets for storage, which is critically important in a small to mid-size home. The white tile, blue cabinet, black counter combo in the bathroom pop just like the rest of the house. And if you haven't noticed, I really like what they've done here. I can't think of a single thing I don't like about this home or how it was designed. I could probably spend the entire video talking about this home, but the show must go on. There's more to see here, people. This is one of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom models from Hygge Supply, and it keeps pace with the 1-bedroom on cool factor and design. It's almost 1,700 square feet with a footprint of 30.5 feet wide by 56 foot 5 inches long with a covered porch add-on. First things first, I gotta know, what do you think of the exterior of these homes? There isn't much in the way of roof lines or accents, but I think the simplicity works so well, and the dark exterior just acts as a style multiplier. Inside the home, the layout is similar to the 1-bedroom, just with more size. Both bedrooms are on the end. Moving towards the living space, you reach the bathrooms. Then we get to an interesting space that isn't on the main plans, but has been added custom to this plan. Inside the area that is typically mechanical room storage and washer dryer, they've tucked in a set of bunk beds, and you might be thinking, wait, what? Well, the reason they did it on this particular home is because it's set up as a vacation rental. But if it's going to be used as a lake house or really any kind of home that people gather, a concept that could be replicated. There are 2 other elements on this specific home that really stand out to me. Number 1 is the bathroom. The back of the shower is glass that is open to the hall that you enter the bedroom through, and beyond that is a window. So if you've got a property with a view, now you can enjoy that view from the comfort of your shower. Sounds pretty nice, actually. You just gotta hope it's one-way glass. Number 2 is the covered porch. And what I like about this space is the wood-burning fireplace. Seamless indoor-outdoor living indeed. If you live in a part of the world that gets cold, this would be the perfect space for the shoulder seasons and a few uses during the winter, just so you can say you went outside. Easy to see, both homes have the look, they have the feel, but do they have the price? They are a bit more expensive than some of the other homes on the channel, but let's get into it. The 1-bedroom models start at $435,000 and the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom models start at $492,000 for these kits. Kit homes are a relatively new sector of the industry to me, but from what I'm seeing from these homes, definitely something I'm going to look into more. Whenever I post a video about, well, pretty much any type of home, I usually get at least one comment, something along the lines of, I can build a 2,500 square foot home with my bare hands for $47,000. And that's great. However, Hygge Supply does recommend hiring a contractor for the setup of their kits, so unless you've got a lot of experience, probably not a good DIY project. They have an in-depth breakdown on their website of the entire process from start to finish and give a projected timeline of 8 to 9 months from the time the contract is signed till the time the home is complete. They do note that the ongoing issues with the supply chain, logistics, and the availability of skilled tradespeople can be a thorn in the side of the project, making the timeline difficult to achieve. Definitely something you want to keep in mind. I think Hygge Supply have hit it out of the park with these designs. They're a level of cool that you just don't see very often. I'm going to follow along with Hygge Supply, and if they get up to anything new, I will be sure to post an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.